Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. Welcome to Scholarship Hive. I'm here with another exciting opportunity provided by OIS Japan. If you are visiting for the first time Scholarship Hive YouTube channel, then subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you will not miss any other video from Scholarship Hive. Okinawa Institute of Science and Technology, Japan provides a fully funded research internship. Okay, before starting the video, let me take to the Scholarship Hive website. This is the Scholarship Hive official website. A previous video was about SIIT fully funded scholarship in Thailand. The details of every scholarship is written on this website. Plus, there is an amazing thing. Complete procedure to apply for any scholarship, internship, or any opportunity is given there. Its YouTube link is given below. Let's start the video. When this video about OIS Japan research internship will be ready, its link will also be inserted on this website at the bottom of this page. It is a fully funded research internship. Its total duration is 2 to 6 months. You can apply without taking English language proficiency tests like IELTS, TOEFL, as this is an internship program. Students of different nationalities from multiple fields can apply, and the deadline for applying is 15th of October. This fully funded research internship covers free round airfare, travel tickets, students insurance, university helps in visa procedure, provides accommodation, and also gives a stipend of 2,400 Japanese yen per day. These are the available fields for this internship. I will disclose properly documents required and eligibility criteria on the official website of this internship. Deadline is 15th of October. This is the official link of OIS Japan fully funded research internship. This OIS internship is provided twice a year. There are few things need to know and understand this internship program before filling the application form. Let's have a check. First is application procedure. Application must be filled online. When letter of recommendation is received, then your application is able to be submitted by the system. I will explain this later in the video. After this, system automatically sends you a submission notification. Applications will then be screened. Successful candidates will be notified by the 3 months of the submission deadline. After final confirmation, visa preparation and all other arrangements will be done. Students in undergraduate and masters and graduates also of universities, colleges, junior colleges and vocational schools in Japan or overseas are eligible to apply for OIS research internship program. Your application background should be with respect to the host units. I will tell you about these research units later in this video. As I mentioned earlier, OIST is provided twice a year. In round 1, the application period is from 15th of March to 15th of April. Successful candidates will be notified in July, and then the internship duration is from October to next March. Similarly, in round 2, system will submit applications during 15th of September to 15th of October, and successful applicants will be notified in next year in January, and then the internship duration will start from April and end in September. Then comes required application materials. You have to submit 5 application materials: curriculum vitae, your CV, statement of interest, academic transcript, recommendation letter, and an ID photo in JPG format and less than 5 MB. You have to download this CV template. This is the CV format which is provided by the university. You have to fill this, write your contact information, add your photo there, write internship period during which you want to do research internship at ORIST along with research unit. Write your personal details, education details, and employment history in chronological order. You can add your other qualifications and interests also. After preparing the CV in Word format, convert this into PDF format, and thus the PDF file will be uploaded in the application form. Statement of interest is provided on the application form. Academic transcript will also be in the PDF format. When recommendation letter is received, then you will also be notified. Upload your recent ID photo. Now I'm going to the application form. Two options: returning users and first time users. If you are a first time user, you will create an account in just few simple steps. First, system will ask your email, and second, you will set your password. Third, set your date of birth. After this, number 4, system sends you a code to your email that you already given there. You will write that specific code in its field on the website to successfully create your account, and then you have to confirm your date of birth again. That's all, you are done. Okay, this is the first part of the video. In part 2, I will guide you about complete procedure to fill the application form. Thank you so much for watching.